Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily clear all the downloads and cache on TikTok app. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the TikTok app on your phone and you can follow the exact same steps if you're on an iPhone or an Android. Now you'll have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner and then tap on those three lines on the top right corner to head over to the menu and then tap on settings and privacy. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to scroll down and right here you'll be able to find an option of free up space in cache and cellular section, and you'll have to tap on it. Now on the top you'll be able to find an option of cache and it's already 0, and if you want to clear it, in your case it might be different. And after that you can also clear downloads. That says download may include effects, filters, streakers, offline videos and virtual gifts. So if you want to clear them, tap on clear and then hit clear again. And now you can see from 0.276 GBs it's now became 0.56 GB. So the cache and downloads both are cleared, and your phone storage will be cleared a bit. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.